Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is our trip on the Utopia of the Seas, August the 23rd through the 25th. Hope you enjoy our video. All right, we are at the B&A airport. Baby he's on a limb right now, y'all. He's about to crash and burn. And we haven't even got started. Yeah, he's actually bulging his eyes right now, even though it doesn't look like it. Where are you headed?
Orlando.
And where are you going?
Utopia of the Seas.
Swimming Huskies, Nashville
To the
Airport.
main terminal building. When the gate links out, please exit and follow the signs for baggage claim A.
We made it to Orlando.
We had a crazy flight. We'll tell you about it later. All right, Orlando, Florida. It is Friday, August the 22nd, and we are in Orlando, Florida at the Wingate, and had a good night's sleep and rest. Getting ready to grab some breakfast real quick and then get on the shuttle. This time we're using cruise control. This is new to us. We're trying it out. It's just slightly cheaper than doing our normal GoPort, which we love GoPort too, but trying cruise control, picking us up from the hotel, take us there, and pick us up from the cruise ship, and take us to the airport. All right, breakfast. All right, we are at port.
Utopia.
On the way to Utopia of the Seas. On the escalator. It's time.
Welcome to Utopia. Have a great cruise.
Thank you.
Welcome to Utopia.
Have a great cruise. All right, all right.
Quick, love.
Yeah, it wasn't recording, so we checked in. We didn't time it, but it was very, 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 very quick. Very quick. And we're early, and then let us in. So, hi, good morning. Let's take a picture, baby. All right. You know what?
The high rise.
You know where we are. You know what we about to do. Here we go. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Thank you. Reggie's holding up. I will say there's nothing like that feeling when you walk aboard the ship, and just to use the word utopia, it's just like a euphoric feeling, and you're just ready to vacation and cruise. They have music playing to get you pumped up, and it's just a great time. Look at this beautiful ship on the promenade.
All the way around. Yep.
All right, in the solarium, we have the made-to-order, kind of like stir-fry, but featuring seafood items. It was really good, you guys. And whenever you're on a World cruise ship that has a solarium, it's really good. Kind of a pro tip to go to the solarium because it's going to be less congested than the regular Windjammer buffet. And it's just very pretty and nice, elegant. And it's adults only, but some people do bring their children on that first day. So check it out. We have arrived. Nope, did I not do it right? Okay, pull, baby.
You just scan and then you open.
Yeah.
Well, it clicked and then it.
There you go.
All right.
Thank
Thank you. All right, our state room. Yay.
Woo!
We made it. Wish I got a Port of Canaveral. It rained here just a little while ago. I missed it because I was inside the ship. They stepped outside the ship. softer than spring. Port of Canaveral. The McLovin Balcony Stateroom. Casino cruising. Casino cruising is here.
Yes, we are. We made it.
Little storage posts. We got the TV. We've got storage dressers. We've got vanity desk. Oh, we've got vanity mirror, full length outfit. Yes, once again. Closet number 1.
Platinum.
Sofa sleeper. Closet number 2 with the safe and 2 drawers at the bottom. And under bed storage too. Yes. Really nice. Yes. I like the key card. Sprinkles. Check out sprinkles. Well, it's kind of muggy out here, but we just sailed away. Let's see. So we just sailed away. We got our balcony. Where you going, camera? We got our balcony stateroom, and Reggie has rested, and I had to do a reset on the hair, and so now we're ready to go and kick it and have a good time on this cruise. More to come. Ice cream, sprinkles, and alright, we're in the casino. So you're saying we need to go to another floor? We are at our happy place where we get our drinks for free. Dawn of Raw. This is the smoking casino. We've got our table game. We've got our slot game. We got our dragon links. Nothing more puff. My lion links. Who's majors?
6 to 800.
Oh yeah.
6 to 200.
Starting at 5 cents.
Yeah.
I know where Bay will be. I like this game too. When it's being nice. Reggie likes that game. Very nice. Alright, on the other side of the casino, the coin tram will be over here. More tables. Actually, I don't know if people tell you about this, but they actually serve food right here on this little buffet, little bites. And it really comes in handy because if you're a casino player, time can get away from you and you'll be hungry.
That's an ugly game.
The bats.
Yeah.
They got the buffet back there.
Yeah, I know. They hit.
Cats.
They not
Ooh, this is a nice mighty cash.
Mhm.
Nice looking.
Yep.
be able to play that version, I don't think. Tables. Not the drums. That's something to play that and hit good on it. Don't want to write this music. All right. And then the art gallery is down this hallway. Goldfish donuts, isn't it? I wonder for. Ooh, I've never seen this buffalo go wild overboard. Okay. And dancing drums, a favorite.
I have no idea what they're about to do, but we're about to have a little bit of fun. Alright, we're about to get a little bit naughty. These three guys in the pool here is about to sign up, actually take their names for me. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, before we get started, I have three lovely young ladies right here that are going to be our judges. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Now, do you know what it is?
All right, G-Watch.
I'm the world's sexiest man on
Give us a little dance.
the amazing Utopia of the sea.
My little body roll.
Ladies and gentlemen from Jersey.
Won 2 out of 3 games. Let's see how he's defeated. All right. We got that, what is that? Royal Caribbean robe hoodie. Yes. And I get this with the status level that I'm on. Okay. Oh, we need to tighten it up.
I've been running an undercover op against heroin trafficking.
It's the light.
Product out of Hong Kong.
Royal Cruising.
6 months
Cruising.
working this crew, we were
Royal has some of the best entertainment and shows, and coming up is one of my favorites. You'll see what I mean. All right, we have seen Aqua 80s, the original. Now we're going to see Aqua 80s 2 here on Utopia of the Sea. As you can see, I've showed a lot of footage of just how amazing this water show is. You know, the swimming, the diving, acrobatics, the tightrope walkers, the jumping line, I don't even know what you call them. It's just amazing. It's such a diverse group. All right, we're to Coco Cay and Hideaway Beach. Look at the amazing second largest ship in the world, Utopia of the Sea. Coco Cay is in the Bahamas, just so that you know, and we're on the little tram to go to Hideaway Beach. We're so excited to see the new Hideaway Beach. Hey, we at the
Hideaway Beach.
Yes, give you the pool view. Come on, turn with me, baby.
Yeah.
There. We got the infinity edge, and we go all the way and out to the beach. Watch out, beaches. Outside of our room is this other ship. I think they're there to like fuel up or some kind of supplies. Nice. All right, that evening before, it started getting a little sad because it's coming to a close. And we got the cutest little rabbit crossing her legs and arms.
Like sheep to the slaughter, Mr. Cologne knows
There you go.
well.
All right, we got this nice little envelope carrier at our door. You see what it says? Royal Railway. Guess what? We're going to eat and take a trip on the Wild West Royal Utopia of the Seas train. Yes, sir. Toga night was the theme for today. But first, let's stop at the casino. And look who's winning, baby. Yeah.
You got a video.
I did.
Train departure, okay.
6 p.m. The Wild Wild West trip. Right, we're at the Utopia Railway, and we got moonshine. Cheers.
For no, that they are boarding card number 1, card 35.
So we have to remember our card
How
number
about
and
these
stuff.
folks over here? Do you know what car you're boarding? Are you boarding card 1 or 2, card 35 or 24?
What is it? Booth 11?
Booth
it's
11, so
on
that's
2.
card 2. Perfect.
Card 2.
You said card 35?
See, we don't even know where we're going, but together we'll get it together. You remember 11, I remember 2. Now, the Royal Railway is a specialty dining, so it's at an extra cost. I'm not sure if the cost equals what we experienced, but the experience was good and different, so I appreciate that. I know there is some negative feedback about going to the Royal Railway, but if you are on Utopia, check it out. Why not? The food was awesome, though. I had to channel my inner goddess as best I could. I saw the toga last minute, and I love that chandelier. Now for the silent toga party. Yeah, baby.
On the drums, one of the most renowned drummers in Nashville, Tennessee, Phil Potter. On the bass guitar, former member of Jason and the Scorchers, currently touring with the Voices of Rock. The amazing Kenny Ames on bass. 6-time Blue Ribbon winner, the amazing fiddle player, Jay Smith. And I'm proud to say, I'm a 6-time ACM CMA nominated. Always came in second. I'm getting second too. To Brooks and Dunn, so it's okay. You did it.
We have found that when you go to the music hall on any Royal Oasis class and above cruise ship, the music is awesome and it's like a hidden gem. Just listen to this guy. Now off to the ice skating show. This guy was phenomenal. The pictures and video don't do justice, just how tall he got up to the ceiling. Amazing. I just love it. And the skaters are phenomenal and really put on and do the best that they can. And you can actually ice skate there on certain days and hours, like with your kids and so forth. But the ice skating show is always one that's good. And I actually enjoyed this show. It was kind of fun. It didn't have a universal theme like most of them, but I still thought that the show was well put together and just dynamic skating and, of course, special effects and events. Early in the morning, I always seem to wake up when it's time to debark early. So it was just beautiful coming into port and seeing the dawn of the day. Anyways, this was a great cruise. It was a little too short. I wish they would do a longer cruise because they're about 3 to 4 days. But it was amazing, a beautiful ship, and just a good time. Tonight is debarkation day. We are having breakfast in the wind jammer real quick, and in 15 minutes we'll be leaving to go downstairs and go through what's it called? You go through the security. You know what I'm talking about?
Checkpoints?
Not checkpoint, customs.
Oh, customs.
And then get on our shuttle. It's been a great trip on Utopia of the Sea. The seaport of Canaveral back there.